everyone, this is Ieasha from Elaborate Designs by Ieasha, and I wanted to show you a DIY. This is an egg wreath DIY that I will be doing, and the wreath will be going outside of my door for Easter. And I wanted to show you what all you will need in case you wanted to make it. First of all, you will need this like a wreath form. It's the hard one from the Dollar Tree, and I've already placed 2 of my eggs here, but you will need this. You will also need, I purchased some Dollar Tree eggs, and I have the one with the different colors of pink, purple, yellow, so you will need that. You will also need a hot glue gun, and I have my Ryobi glue gun. You also need a glue stick just in case you run out of, you need it. And also purchase some Easter grass that I may put some like in the middle of the cracks of it to make sure that it's full, just in case I need it. And I think that's it. So let's get started. And as you see, I've already done 2 of them. I already done my yellow and my blue. So I'm gonna go ahead and I had this wreath form before, so I'm just gonna use one that I already have, but I did have to purchase the eggs. And all of this came from the Dollar Tree. So all you do is take your egg and make sure it's closed. And I'm gonna put some hot glue right here on the back side of the egg. As you can see, I'm gonna put it there. So I'm just gonna take it and go straight down the middle of the back of my egg and try to make sure it's covered. Okay. And the thing with hot glue, you just have to make sure you pull the little excess glue off of it. And so I'm going to take it, as you can see, and I'm going to stick it right here. And it's going to be right close to the egg in front of it. And you just have to hold it just to make sure it sticks. And if you want to, you can go ahead and put some hot glue on the inside of your eggs to keep them closed. I didn't do that, but that's totally up to you. But I'm just gonna hold it right here for a few minutes just to make sure it sticks. Keep my egg closed. Okay, and as you see, that's how it looks. So I have the purple, the blue, and the yellow. I'm trying to do them in different colors. So now I'm gonna put my green one on, and I'm just gonna do the same thing and just take my hot glue and go on the back side of my egg. So just take your hot glue and just put some right on the middle part of your egg, on the back side of it. And just put enough so it can stick, and just make sure you remove the excess glue off of it. Make sure your egg is closed. And so I'm gonna take the green one and put it right behind the purple one, and just press it down just to make sure it sticks to the wreath form. And like I said, if your egg opens up, you just close it back, or you can put some hot glue on the inside to keep it closed. I'm not gonna do that though. Okay. And as you see, that's it. So I will come back once I'm finished with it, because you should have the hang of how to place your egg on the wreath form. And I will be back once I finish the front side of it. Okay, so I'm back, and as you can see, I'm finished with the first part of my egg wreath. And as I showed you earlier, I was just gluing, hot gluing the eggs on the wreath form here. And what I did, I went all the way around on this side of it, and I did the different colors. I started with, like, I think it was purple, then I did blue, yellow, pink, orange, green, and then I started back with the purple, and that's how I did it for the colors. So now I'm going to start on this side right here and go all the way around. And as you can see, I think I may put some of the Easter grass like right in those little areas there. I'm not sure yet, but I'm gonna finish with this side first. Okay, so I'm gonna show you about this side. And so I'm gonna start with a yellow egg. And all you do is just place it right on top of the egg that's on this side right here. Just place another egg on top of it. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna do. So take some hot glue and just put in the same area as you did the other ones, and just put it straight down the middle. Okay. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start here with the purple one, and I'm just gonna lay this egg directly on top of the purple egg, as you can see right here, and just hold it down. And again, the egg is trying to come open, but I just close it back up. Oops. If I can close it up, that would be great. Okay. And just hold it directly on top of the egg until it dries. Which one don't take long. Okay, as you see, that's how it looks. It's directly on top of that egg. So now I'm going to go and start with a green one. And I'm going to put the green one right kind of like in the middle of the purple and the blue that's on this side right here. And again, I put some hot glue on the back side of this egg. And also, I forgot to tell you what I've been doing too to make sure it sticks is put some hot glue on the bottom part of this egg. And I'm going to show you that in a few minutes. Let me go ahead and put this on first. So you just take the egg and you just put it right on top of those two eggs that's in the front right here. And you just hold it down like that. And what I was talking about, I put glue, as you can see right here in the middle of these, just to hold the two together. Okay. And again, the egg came open. Just close it. Uh-oh. All right. And as you see, that's how it looks. All right. So I'm gonna show you again what I was talking about. As you see right here, I put the glue on the back side of the egg like I was telling you to do. And then I put some like right here on the top and on the back side of each one so that the other one would stick to the other one. If I'm clear about that. Just like I did on this one here. Just stick the just put the glue on the bottom side to put it on the form, and then put it on the back side, the bottom side, to stick to the other egg. Okay. So now I'm going to add a purple egg right here, and I'm going to do the same thing I did before, which was to put the hot glue on the back side here in the middle, and also put some on the bottom. And when I put the hot glue on the bottom, all that does is to make sure that this egg that is behind, this orange egg that's behind the purple egg would stick together, okay? So, all right. So take just a little hot glue and put it on the back side. And also put some on the bottom part of the egg. Okay, and just take it and just stick it down. Uh-oh. Yeah. And now it may not be completely even, but that's okay. It's still gonna work out. All right, so as you see, I'm finished with my egg wreath, and this is how it looks. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to go ahead and use the Easter grass that I was showing you. Sorry, I got it upside down. That I was telling you about earlier. And I have the the yellow one that I'm gonna put around here. And all I'm gonna do is fill in the little spaces around the wreath that the eggs then cover. And as you see, I've already done one. So all you need to do is just get your grass and take your hot glue gun, and just put some hot glue. Now this is the way I do mine, and just put it right on the wreath. The wreath form. Now you take your Easter grass and just stick it in there and just put it directly on top of the glue. And as you do, it sticks to the hot glue. Okay. And just keep pushing it down in there. Getting all of it in there real good. Okay. And you see how it covers the little, the areas where the eggs then connect, the little spaces in between. And you see that right there. And all you do is just continue to take your Easter grass, take your hot glue, and put it down in the middle of it. Okay. And as you do, you just keep pushing it down in there. You can push it down with your finger, or if you have anything else, you can just take it and push it down in there with. And I'm just doing it, pushing it with my finger in there until it covers all of it. Okay. And you can take and you can use your scissors to cut the excess around there. And that's how it looks so far. So I am done with my egg wreath that I told you I was making to go on my door for Easter. And it came out so pretty. As you see, all the different color eggs that I put on here. And I did this part first, and then I came around the outside with the other eggs, and I filled it in with these little the Easter grass, and I did the yellow Easter grass. This will be for part of my Easter decoration, so I want you to stay tuned because I will be also working on my Easter tablescape, and I will be showing that once I get that finished. And I hope you all have a great night. Be blessed. And see you on my next video. Bye.